Welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to be presenting my Echo Tracker application I built. Here is the home page and we have the about page. Now, as you can see, I added an image on the about page and some text with my name. Also in the tracker page, you can see some activities already done. So I can select, I can unselect, and also the counter is showing the selection. Also I can add tags or activities. Plant oak tree, and I can add it, and that's it. And when I select it, it's selected. If I delete, it brings a confirmation for delete. I can cancel or go back again, change my mind and delete it. And when I want to create a new activity, the only button here that responds is cancel. The add button will not is inactive because no text is imputed. So as soon as the text is imputed, plant mango tree, immediately the add button is activated, and when I click it, it add the plant mango tree, and the strike is working, and the counter is working. Delete is working. I can delete that. I can strike and delete. I can uncheck. And also concerning the persistent data, when I refresh the browser, the data remains the same, no change. So it's a functioning application. So right now I'll take you to my code. Before I go to my code, I'm supposed to do the demonstration on the mobile, build the mobile application. As you can see, this is what I've been facing for 3 days. I've uninstalled, installed, try everything I can. Even right now, I'm still running the codes, trying to see there is no error telling me that it's deployed successfully, but it's just blank. I believe it's memory issue. That's why it's not. The, Let me just try something. Let me remove the. Yeah, let me try this again just to confirm. You see, so sometimes the laptop shut down, sometimes my computer freeze. So, but the installation was successful. I had a splash screen. Those are one of the advanced things I did. I had a splash screen. I put icon. I put images. So I put different flash screen, and it really looked wonderful. But it's just unfortunately that it did not render on the emulator, Android emulator. And also I tried to use this mobile view. I tried to use mobile view to view it. I can integrate with Ionic. So that's one problem again. I've tried a lot of um, try to display the app on a mobile device. So the only option is the browser. The only option is the browser. So that's why I had to fall back to the browser to do it. So I created everything, mobile emulator. I did everything. I tried until the last minute. I just have some few minutes more before I submit. And so I said, let me do the video. Let me show you my code. So we go to my code. I have I have the definition or the object that is responsible for tracking the activity, which is the interface. The interface have three properties, which is the ID, which identify is like a numeric identifier. I have a description string property that hold the textual description of every activity, and I have the completed boolean property that indicated whether an activity has been completed or not. So with these three properties, I'm able to effectively track every activity on the app. Then I have the user state initialized, and right here the user state is initialized. The activity here, this state, the activity state variable hold an array of activity object, and the array here is empty. So this function, this is the set activity function using this user state activity that hold an empty array. The same thing with this state variable here. This state variable hold a string value, and the string value here is empty. And also with the boolean value is set to false, the state variable here, and the alert here is set, the state variable is set to false, and show alert, this is modal open, is set to false. The show alert is set to false. The activity to delete is set. It's this uses a number and a null value. And the next one, the last one is the next ID. So the use state function use the state variable which holds every ID, is usually a number. So the key functions in my code, one of them is the persistent data. This use effect help initialize and load activities from the local state variable, which mount a persistent data across the session. So with this, the data is persistent in the mobile application. Then we have another core uh, another core function, which is the core validation, which this activity description um, ensure that no empty value is accepted. So it validates to ensure that every activity is valid. Now this activity, this creates a new activity, this function here, this variable, it creates a unique ID and initialize incomplete status variables, while this one creates array. And another core persistent data, this save the local variables, the list of the local variable, I mean the variable in the local storage. And the another core function I have here is the echo tracking functionality. This one deletes, it confirms and deletes an activity from the list. So here, filter the activity to delete, update, the state of that activity. Then I have the another core persistent data saving. This update activity list to local storage after deletion. Then I have the function here toggle completion, which um, which toggles the completion status of the activity and updates the list. It creates a new array with updated completion status for the specified activity. And the last one I have here is the another core persistent data saving that update the activity list to the local variable after toggle is complete. So I'm so grateful for this opportunity to present this uh, to do this presentation, but I promise to continue this until I get it, and I will definitely share it with you to let you know that it was successful. So thank you, sir, for the opportunity. Thank you.